When you think about your innovative pursuits, what's been that driving force to overcome challenges?
So our Edison Award has been for sustainability practices for wire and cable manufacturing. So Superior Essex is a leading manufacturer worldwide of wire and cable. The challenge behind that is trying to find ways to make wire and cable in a way that is sustainable. Wire and cable inherently is not a sustainable product, but the practices behind that can be. So we have focused a lot of energy and effort over doing so over the last 10 years. Culminating in this year, we actually were awarded a zero waste diversion certification for a plant in Hoisington, Kansas. It's been a culmination of a lot of work, but the driving force behind that is to be better environmental stewards.
Thomas Edison believed that innovation begins with a concept that is marketable and makes consumers' lives better. How did your organization go from an idea to a market-ready solution?
Sure. So the original idea started actually within the plant. The plant employees realized that we were wasting way too much material. So they took it upon themselves to figure out ways to reuse or recycle materials or find alternative ways to dispose of it to other companies that might use it differently. And that kind of took hold, and the plant management saw that and thought, wait, I wonder how far we can take it. So they actually put programs in place because from a marketing perspective, we saw if we're really successful at doing this, we can turn that into actual things that people care about. I mean, everyone wants to be green, so we saw a path to get there. So although our products didn't necessarily change, the way we made them did. And so that made us more marketable, therefore it led to better sales.
And looking back, was there anything in particular you can think of that you might have done differently?
We would have done it quicker. I think we would have more focused to the initiatives. When we saw really what the impact was, it actually saved us money by putting this in place. So I think we would have done it much more quickly.
What is the most important lesson you've learned along the way, and how do you try to pass that on?
To really achieve something like this is a very big deal, and I think the biggest message is to have everyone realize that it's a team effort. To everyone, no idea is too small, nothing's too big to try, and to make sure that we're all moving in the same direction and to get the whole team on board to not only the message but also the implementation of that and to make it work.
What is the vision for you in the future, and can you share anything that you're working on?
Sure. So the big vision is we actually have two main manufacturing plants here in the United States. Hoisington has achieved the zero waste diversion. We have another plant in Brownwood, Texas. So our long-term goal is to have it be as environmentally conscious as our Hoisington plant. That's going to take a lot of work. They have a long way to go, but that is our vision to get done.
Let's see. Who has inspired you, and what have you learned from that person?
So we have the leadership of our company actually put a stake in the ground and challenged us all for to put these practices in place. And they inspired me just because, as a citizen, it is important. And even in my home, we recycle, we do all the best things that we can. To see my company not only embrace that, but really put it into action was inspirational. So the leadership of our company did that.
And then finally, the Edison Awards recognizes the most innovative products, services, and teams from around the world and across all markets. What would winning an Edison Award, or what does winning an Edison Award mean to you and to the company?
So to our company, it's extremely important, and we're actually very honored to have been selected for this award. We did our sustainability initiatives because it's the right thing to do, not because we wanted accolades, but because we've done the right thing to have industry and to have something as prestigious as the Edison Awards acknowledge that fact. It's humbling, actually. It's a great honor. To be able to take that now and to be able to espouse it to our customers and to the people with whom we work, our vendors, I think we have an opportunity to make a change in our industry.